Management. I mean, management, that's what business is all about, isn't it? Trying to manage things like business dashboards that take data. I do a lot of business dashboards that people want specific data from specific places to all talk to kind of all be amalgamated into one page and be able to report showing within the green and then the red and the yellow, those kind of things. Process tracking, another big one. If you think about your processes and what you follow, you very often do the same thing over and over and over again for each job. Is there a way to set up a template to monitor that? There usually is. Project overviews. Where are you in the project? How far are you? What have you done? What do you still need to do? Those kind of things, very popular. Vehicle statistics. Find a lot of fuel consumption, those kind of things, but also usage of vehicles, that type of stuff. Often the data is available, but no real comprehensive reports. And then the same thing on venues. Sometimes you've got different locations. I've done a few where people have rented out rooms and which rooms are bringing in more income, those kind of things. There's always data analysis to be done, and it's always handy to know. I mean, at the end of the day, we're in business to be successful, and it's always very, very handy to know exactly how you're performing so you know what you ought to do if you need to make any changes.